All right, our last problem, we have to do two things. One, we have to come up with a model. All right, and then two, we have to figure out when does that model equal 5,000. All right, so for our model, right, we're going to need a start amount. I guess I can just write the word start amount, right? Okay, so we're going to need a start amount, and then 1 plus a rate. And it's going to be, it says to make it a t, so we're going to make this a t. All right. And so our start amount is 100. That's our start amount. What am I writing? It's getting sloppier. All right, so there's our start amount, 100. All right. And then 1 plus, and here's our rate. It says right here, there's our rate, is 38%. All right, and we're going to have that to the t. All right. And now it's probably useful to change this to 1.38 to the t. All right, because over here, all right, so that was step one. So we're done with step one. All right, now step two is we want to know when does this model equal 5,000? All right, so we're going to say when does our model 1.38 t equal 5,000? All right, so that's the first thing we're going to check out. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this so I have enough room. All right, and so the first thing we need to do is divide by 100 over here. So we're going to divide by 100. All right, you could leave this that way, but I noticed, I learned this in 5th grade, that you can cancel these zeros out. All right, and so now we have this function that is 1.38 t equals 50. All right, and so now we need to do the same thing that we did up here on number 4, all the way up here on number 4, right? So we need to do exactly the same thing down here. So we're going to keep the base, and the base is 138. All right, so we have log 1.38, and we're going to switch x and y. And so we're going to switch 50 over there equals t. All right, and so then all we have to do is put this amount in our calculator. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. Log 1.38 of 50. And I get an answer 12.14. All right, and so that's months. And so my answer is that it would take about 12 months. All right, and so there you go.